Sawadee Krap. Welcome. Welcome to our cooking demonstration at Taiwan. I appreciate everybody tuning in. Please continue to tune in and share. Today we'll be cooking red snapper with sweet and sour sauce. All right? And please come join us. Hey, welcome to Taiwan. My name is Sam. We are gonna do red snapper today. We're gonna do seared red snapper. I got a filet red snapper here, and I got whole one. It's been popular here at the restaurant. Everybody seems to enjoy it. Okay, that's what we're gonna do today. First, I got the pan heat up here. Okay, I'm gonna season with a little bit of oil. All right. And in second, I'm gonna season the fish a little bit here. I got a fillet here that we gonna sear. All right. First, I'm gonna do a little bit of a little salt here, so the pan won't stick to the pans. Okay. Both sides. Little pepper, black pepper. I tell you, this is if you're looking for some good meal. This is like I said, it's been very popular. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fry the skin down first. Okay. Let that cook for a minute. All right. Well, it's fish cooking right now. Make sure, like I said, season for a little bit. Let the fish cook by itself. It doesn't ready to be turned yet, because if you look at it, the fish will pull off in the pan itself, so it's easy to flip. If you flip it right now, it will stick to the pan. So you want to let it go for a little bit until it's done. All right. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the vegetable on this one. It's going to be sweet and sour, okay? I'm going to start with the oil here. Fish cooking real good. Like I said, this has been very popular here at the restaurant. I'm going to add a little minced garlic here. I love garlic. Add about a tablespoon of oil would be good enough for this dish. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start stir frying the vegetable. Let the season a little bit, brown it up a little bit. Okay, add my hard vegetable first. The red bell pepper there. A little bit of green pepper. Okay. Carrots. A little bit of onion. All right, fish seems to be cooking here. Okay. See, it's ready to be poured yet. Seems like it's loosening it up here a little bit. Okay. And get some hard here to pull that out. Okay, so I flip to the other side. Woo! Wow, we're cooking now. Okay. Nice and brown there. Cooking real good. Just watch the flame. Don't let it be too high like what I'm doing here. So I'm going to turn it down a little bit, let the fish cook. It's the vegetable cook. All I got is garlic in it right now, so I'm gonna start adding fish sauce. Of course, like I keep saying, Thai food is not a Thai food until you add fish sauce. Now it's officially Thai food. Okay. Alrighty. This is a tamarind sauce we made right here. Okay, it's considered tamarind, some sweet and sour, brown sugar. If you want any ingredients, just give me a call here at the restaurant, okay? And I'm more than happy to walk you through this real nice and easy, okay? Any of the ingredients you'd like to find out where you can pick them up, just give me a call, all right? If anybody have, like again with the further instruction how to cook any of this dish that you see there in a channel, please don't hesitate to call. All right, I'm gonna add a little Sam sauce here. Again, it's regular house blend with here. We consider garlic, ginger, soy base, and a bunch of other stuff in there. There's a lot of sugars, black pepper, of course, and the last thing, vegetable, I'm gonna add a pineapple on tomato, okay? All right, how's the fish look? I'll let this go for a little more. Let's get off the pan here. Okay. I didn't know you could smell this or not. It smells so good. I like to cook my vegetable little al dente, you know. It's not too soft. So it's still real crispy. Still a lot of nutrient in there. Okay. Heat that up a little bit. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we're ready to pan this up. I think the fish looking pretty good. Alrighty. Thank you. All right, let's pan the fish up. Let's check it's done yet. Again, this doesn't have to be done all the way. I like. Yeah. Almost there. Okay, last thing, tamarind. I got some sweet sour sauce here, right here. All right, that's ready to go. Let's pour this in right top of the fish. And again, you want to do pan sear or deep fry too. You want to batter just a little bit. You want to do that, okay? And with the whole one, that's what we're gonna do with it. Or just put a light flour, any all-purpose flour will be fine. And just deep fry or pan sear, same way that I did here. And then I'm gonna save the rest of the sauce for that fish, okay? Thank you again for tuning in. Appreciate it. We'll see you guys soon.